today we're going to be painting a plain cardboard background. So we've got a cool background for food photography. I've got three colors to start with. So we've got a sort of turquoise light blue. Then I've got a full tin of white paint over here. And then the cool brand Choco paint, and it is a grey color. So we're going to be doing layers. First of all, I'm going to roller the white and cover the board and let that dry a bit, and then we are going to marble the blue and the grey with sort of a sponge effect. So I'll do a tutorial on that and you guys can follow and hopefully try it yourself. So we're going to start with a damp cloth just to wipe down the board and make sure there is no foreign objects that will stick in the paint when we're painting. Okay, and then once it's clean, I've got my roller and white paint. Pour a little bit of that in there. You don't need too much because you just want to cover it lightly so that you can do the marbling. Okay, so to start it off, just lightly roll. And I'm doing it outside on this big, it's actually my fiance's welding table because I don't want to make a mess inside. So best to do it outside if you've got plastic sheeting to put down, so you don't ruin the floors or the counter space where you're doing it. So as you can see, there's sort of splotchy bits. That's what we want. And you can press a little bit harder if it's not sticking properly. And just keep going lightly. You don't need to add water, just use the paint. And you can move around the canvas as you need to. tutorial video on DIY projects at home. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing plenty more fun, easy DIY at home projects, along with awesome cooking videos. And to check out a bit of my foodie background, you can visit my Instagram page at The Max Flavor. I'll put a link in the video. And once again, thanks so much for watching.